Kaluguran kong kapatid, ingasal pantayanan, metong po ka rin pagmulalan tamo, ka rin artista, yapin ng ka rin ang malinis at makinis abalat. Ngayon maldoy ti, pagmulalan dering alagading Ginoo. Uling sinobraya kalinis at kakinis abalat, at meging super pogiya. King kayang aske ning pamanyubling mebye. Bakit may pamulala ring alagad? Kasi niyang Biyernes Santo, migmula yung monster ing Ginoo, inyang may pakuyak ing krus. Sugatan niya mabilog akatawan, menuling yaking bugbog ing kayang laman. Bawat sulok ng katawan na sugat, may laplap apago. Makakorona yung suksok, dadaya yung mabilog ang katawan. Ngini, ingginong sinubling mebye. Mipnuya kasanting kalinis at kakinis sa balat. Dapat sumangit na rin kayang pamanyubling mebye. It is surprising. May natili na detang 5 sugat. King katawan. Dahil ang sugat na maliban bumbunan hanggang talampakan, kinayap lahat. Maliban mo rin ang sugat, busbus pa ako king kayang gamat. Busbus pa ako king kayang bitis. At itang sugat king kayang katalindikingan. Nanungaran na payabot na heratamo ngayon yung dinusinubling mebye. Muna-muna the opening salvo of the risen Lord to the apostles, amitlong takot at pamagduda. Sinabi na kanila, behind closed doors and closed windows, ing Ginoo, pepakit siya ka rin kanyang alagad. At ing minuna ng sinabi, ing kapayapan, manatili kay kayaman. There are many walls in our lives that divide us. Pero peace can penetrate even closed doors and closed walls. Ing kapatawaran, lumupyak in metong nga pusong makasarap. At ing kapatawaran ng Diyos has no limit. It is not bounded by windows and doors. Nyabuday kami matawad ka. Forgiveness goes beyond closed doors and closed windows. No walls between us. Wadang may matawad ka, ala ng pader, ang mamilatan kaya katao. Lasakaning pamamatawad, ing nanumang pader. Karintang may bisang mamatawad, makakulong laging pader. And their lives are closed windows and closed doors. Pero karintang may matawad, there are no walls to break through. Because peace and forgiveness will bring down and shatter all closed doors and walls and windows. Ing kapayapan manatili kaya kayo 3 times. Ganap ang kapayapan, ganap ang pamamatawad. Nung kuryan tamo, the Lord could have said and could have done differently. Inyang may pa ko yung krusing Ginoo, likwan deri alagad na. Except St. John, Mama Mary, and Magdalene, ang poy Cleopas. Amin natili lalam na ning krus. Limat na yung at lumukdong Pedro, pemisanin ng mabiyahudas, likwan deri alagad na, at a time when he needed them most. Yabi siguro sinabi naging krus, mao po, Diyos ko, bakit pepa yung burisan mo ko? At ngayon sinubli yung maybe he could have said to his apostles, ala kayong marine. Pwede na sabihin ka rin, ka ng mga sakit asumbat at miyayaliw ang palmura. Pwede nang palapitan bang pamubuga na kapamaldakan nila, pamanupanwa nila, pamalasbasan nila. But it was not that way. The way to live again is to say, peace be with you. Kung ang itabiasang mamatawad, we can never make a new beginning. It is only in forgiveness that we can rise to a new life. Peace be with you. kapayapan kaya kayo man. Alisumbat ing pelmura na karela o pepalupa na karela, their words of peace, not condemnation. Ug lakota mo sana itang galing manyumbat. From now on, nung bisa kang maging risen Christ and they become a risen Christian, sinubling may be a Kristiyano, ilakota na yung galing mapanyumbat. Tetano sa sumbatan, ding taong may kasala kaya katamo. Nune kapayapan, ing maghari sana ka rin puso tamo. Let bygones be bygones. The past is past. Ikut-kut tanay ka. Sublita ng miye. Let us make a new beginning in the spirit of reconciliation and in the spirit of peace. Daring lumang sugat may natili laking katawanan ng Ginoo, the body of Christ. Very surprisingly, kinayak lang ding sugat, except these 5 wounds. Uling itaming manulo ka rin ng sugat by acts of forgiveness with one another. Uling dakal pa kaya katamo, ingay kakasundo at ingay sasabi. Nino kaya kayo miyasaw ingay sasabi may pagkaslamwawa kaniting kaurasan. Dakala pa rin may katuwangan na may panis ding. Dakala pa rin may kakapatad ay bisang may sulu-sulu kinlamesa because of foolish pride. Because we're still hurting one another. O ito'y sugat na dapat tamong ulwan. Unless we forgive one another within the body of Christ, the wounds of Christ will always remain fresh. Itamo at intamong misyon para pakayapan na rin sugat ng Ginoo. Kapamilataning pamamatawad tamo, kinmetong at metong. Yes, these wounds are symbol of God's love for us. Lugod as makasadyang mipako king krus. Pero more than that, these wounds will heal through acts of mercy and forgiveness with one another. We should be a healing community. Nung nawarin pa kaya pantaw yung sugat ng balang metong at metong. Niya minatili ng saliwa. And surprisingly, ining sugat ng katalindikina ng Ginoo. Maragulyang sugat. It can accommodate your hand inside. Mibay tamo king puso ng Jesus through cesarean section. Nung makananong milagos yung daya at dalong king puso ng Jesus, watang mga naking babae, mas pakin pala tubigana, lumwaling daya, water and blood to give birth to a child. And here is blood and water flowing out from the heart of Jesus, because we are born once again from the heart of God through cesarean section. Kasanting kapawaga, naniting sugat king katalindikinga ng Ginoo. Dahil sugat limana. Uling 5 simbolo na yung komunidad, a group. 5 is a community, is a family. And there is never perfect family. Alam perfectong komunidad, alam perfectong pengari, alam perfectong anak, alam perfectong manuyang o katuwangan, alam perfectong pari. We have in us the vestiges of original sin. Ingkay na ning pangatao-tao at subamurin, sumangid ng itamo memong pisal tao. Sumangid din may binyag ka, sumangid din kinasal ka, sumangid din may bimpari ko, may natili at subamurin ng pangatao ko. Kinasal kayo na rin sabyan, perfecto na yung asawa mo. Uling kabukasan na balo mo po tawag panangalayang makeup yung asawa mo, burugan niya lupa. And you begin to discover the limitations of one another. Pero sumangit din kakulangan tao mangibamo ing sao at lugod ning Diyos. Yes, pari kami pero mangibamo ing upaya ning grasya na ning pangapari. Yes, kinasal kayo. Sumangit din kainan nyo bilang niya asawa. Impepakasalan mo tao yan. Eya Indian, eya santo. Mangibamo ing grasya na ning sakramento ning kasal. May kumpil ka with the powers of the Spirit. Pero kailangan mong makilaban king tukso bilang sundalos ng Kristo. May binyag ka, but you have to prove your worth. Kapalinataning maya padapat at maya papami biyebe bilang anak ng Diyos, you have to prove your worth. So my dear brothers and sisters, the wounds of Christ reminds us of human weakness and the vestiges of original sin in us. But over and above our human limitation, mangibabo ang lugod ng Diyos. It is not what sin has made of us, but it is what God's love has made of us a new creation. Kaya mo naging kakulangan tao. Da kanya pepasaring kasiran ng kasalanan, karempami biyebiyeta mo. Pero migit kin kasiran, apepasaring ng kasalanan, mangibabo, ing milagrong giyawanan ng lugod king Diyos kaya katao. Sumangit din kakulangan ng asawa mo, mangibabo ang lugod mo kaya. So that one day, yung asawa mo, may gimayap niya, uli ng lugod mo kaya. It is transforming love. Sumangit din kakulangan mo at kasyasan mo buntok bilang anak. Daring pengari mo, may ngibawa yung lugod da ka. At may yari kang pamagaral kung uli ng lugod daring pengari mo. Sumangit din kakulangan mo at kasyasan mong buntok. Over and above our human limitation is the miracle and the power of the resurrection at work in us. So my dear friends, it is not so much our human weakness. It is not so much what sin has done to us. It is more than that, most of all, what God's love has made of us. A new creation. Huwag tayong maulaga. Nung nanin pepasarin ng lugod ng Diyos kaya katao mo, may bayo tao, may gimayap tamong tao. May reinvent sa impiyata mo by the power of the resurrection. Nung kaluguran may mga tao, manaliwa ka panlalawe kaya. Burimeng may bayo, burimeng may pakayap. And today as we celebrate the mercy of God, let us also thank God for the wonders and miracles that He has done for us by the power of His mercy, by the power of His love, by the power of His forgiveness. Alakad lang. Pagkakating panalagin ay panibataling sa kandang kabanalan, sulinita kapiparalang kumi, pabalalan mo sana at tingay, tingupaya ng Espiritu, pagparagya kami, magyari lang katawan at kaya, ng Ginoo ng Yesu Kristo. Bayan ikaw ang kusang loob, kinpamilas at kamatayan, kinhangin tinabi, at pepasalamat siya kaya. Pirasa niya at binyi, karigay disipulos na tagapaniti kaman at kananiya. Itiyin ka na ng katawan, kami daw para kaya. Makanyan naman kaipat ng apunan kinwaling kalis. Pasibayo yung kasasalamat kaya. At binyan yung kalis, karigan disipulos na. Tagapaniti kaman at minumpo kaligis. Pinili yung kalis ng kanawang daya. Indaya ng bayo. At alangang tipan, kami buhuk para kaya kayo at para rin sabdang tao. Bangkit ka, ipatawaran ng kasalanan.
Dagdag niyo iti bilang kabigatan ng salamat. Ipasya